We often see plenty of tiny ants constantly on the move, always carrying food that are multiple times beyond its weight. And that gets us wondering, why are they so hardworking? Are they always trying to collect food to save for later, or is it just in their nature to constantly work whenever they can? You see, ants are social insects, which means they live in large colonies or groups. Depending on the species, ant colonies can consist of millions of ants, and every ant in a colony has a fixed role. Now, there are three kinds of ants in a colony: the queen, the female workers, and males. The queen and males have wings, while the workers don't have wings. The queen is the only ant that can lay eggs, while the male ant's job is to mate with future queen ants, and they do not live very long afterwards. There are also soldier ants whose responsibility is to protect the queen, gather or kill food, or attack enemy colonies in search of food and nesting space. Just as how humans were during the medieval period, living in a village where they had to worship the king and queen, and everyone had to follow the given role in order to survive. The ants we see are as well obliged to contribute to their roles, and that social obligation is the reason for them working hard on their tasks. But a reason even more important than that is ants are always preparing for the future. Let us imagine for a moment that the ants decided not to store for the winter times. They choose to slow down or even yet abandon the provisional storage for the winter cycle. The results would have been a catastrophe. When the winter season of scarcity arrived, the ants would have, in all probability, no more food supplies and would surely die. The hard work in the summer has managed to sustain them through the winter cycle when they are not able to obtain food, but are able to have food as well as now rest. This can be compared to us working all of our life in our youthful times in order to provide for our future so that we may rest during our times of old age. Hope you found this video useful. New videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So hit that subscribe button to stay tuned.